Good morning. Children, now I am going to tell you about activity book activities. Children, take out your activity books. Open page number 18. Which lesson? Air around us lesson. See here, children. First activity. Which the following pie chart reflect the correct compositions of gases in the surrounding air? Tick it. What is this, children? Here, 3 pie charts. See here, children, which percentage of gas in this pie chart? This pie chart shows 78% nitrogen gas and 21% oxygen and other gases 1%. In this pie chart, nitrogen percentage 45, oxygen percentage 54, other gases 1%. See here, children. This pie chart shows nitrogen 33%, other gases 34%, oxygen 33%. Which pie chart is here correct? Children, already you learned explanation of lesson. Yes or no? Composition of air. Air is made up of gases like nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21%, remaining other gases 1%. Yes or no, children? Which percentage of gas nitrogen in atmosphere? 78%. Which percentage of oxygen in atmosphere? 21%. Which percentage of other gases in atmosphere? 1%. See here, children, which pie chart is correct here? This one? No. This one? No. This is a correct pie chart. Here, nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21%, other gases 1%. Children, put tick here. Okay, children? In this activity, this pie chart is correct. Next activity. Okay, children, see here. 2 balloons were placed on a scale balance. One balloon was filled with air while the other was deflated. Which among the following diagrams show the correct position of the scale balance? Tick it. Okay, children. See here. 2 filled balloons. No need to think about this now. Why? This is a 2 filled balloons. Here, one filled balloon and other was deflated balloon. C, B. One filled balloon. One balloon was filled with air while other was deflated. Now think about these 2 balloons. Next, one balloon was filled balloon with air while the other was deflated balloon. This also think about these 2 balloons. See here. This is a 2 balloons are deflated balloons. No need to think about this picture. Only think 2 diagrams, B and C. Here, which diagram shows the correct position of the scale balance? This This is correct position of scale balance. Why? This is a filled with air balloon. Air has weight. Air has weight is a properties of air. Okay, children. This diagram shows the not correct position of the scale balance. This diagram shows the correct position of the scale balance. So, put here tick mark. B is correct. See here, children. These devices are useful in our day-to-day life. Can you identify them? What is this? Hand pump. This is scissors. Medicine dropper. Pencil. Balance. An air pump. Bulb. A straw to drink liquids. Pick the device which need atmosphere to work. How the hand pump works? Hand pumps works with atmosphere air. Hand pump works with atmospheric air. Tick here. Next, children, scissors. Scissors. Atmosphere is not required to use the scissors. Next, medicine dropper. Droppers works with atmosphere work. Tick here. Pencil. Atmosphere is not required to use the pencil. Next, balance. Atmosphere is not required to use the balance. An air pump. How an air pump works? Works with atmospheric air. Tick here. Next, bulb. Atmosphere is not required to use the bulb. A straw to drink liquids. This is a works with atmospheric air. So tick here. See here, children. What is this? Syringe. Syringe works with atmospheric air. So tick here. Mission. Atmosphere is not required to use the mission. Wind fan. Works with atmospheric air. Tick here. See here, children. Spectacles. Atmosphere is not required to use the spectacles. Fan. Fan also, atmosphere is not required to use the fan. This is a electrical fan. Next one. What is this picture, children? Soil pot. Soil pot works with atmospheric air. Tick here. What is this, children? This is a big ship. Atmosphere is not required to use the ship. Next, what is this, children? Hot air balloon. Works with atmospheric air. Tick. What is this, children? Kite. Kite works with atmospheric air. Tick here. This is a mixer. How to use mixer? Electricity. Okay. Atmosphere is not required to use the mixer. Next, parachute. Parachute works with atmospheric air. Tick here. Telephone. Atmosphere is not required to use the telephone. Okay children, understood? Children, how to work these devices? Already you learned explanation of importance of air. Okay children? Children, turn the page. 20 page, paste the stickers. This page do later children. Now I am going to tell you about 21 page. Observe the picture and note down a property or uses of air. What is the first picture children? Burning candle. This is a properties of air or uses of air. Uses of air. Air supports burning of things. AIR air, SUPPORTS properties. Supports, SUPPORTS supports, BURNING burning, OF of, THINGS things. Air supports burning of things. Next picture children, what is this picture? Windmill. Air can make things move. This also uses of air. AIR air, CAN can, MAKE make, THINGS things, MOVE move. Air can make things move. Next children, what is this picture children? A boy watching TV. Air propagates sounds. This is a property or uses of air? Property, no, uses of air. Air propagates sounds. Write neatly children. AIR air, PROPAGATES propagates, SOUND sound. Air propagates sound. Next picture children. What is this? Smell spreads through air in all directions. This is a uses of air. SMELL smell, SPREADS spreads, THROUGH through, AIR air, INE ALL all, DIRECTIONS directions. Smell spreads through air in all directions. This is a uses of air. See in this picture children. This is also uses of air. Without air, there is no life on the earth. Write neatly children. WITHOUT. Without. AIR air. THERE there. ISES NO no. LIFE life. on, THE the, EARTH earth. Without air, there is no life on the earth. See this picture children, water cycle. This is also uses of air. WITHOUT without, AIR air, comma, THERE there, ISES NEITHER neither, WATER water, CYCLE cycle, NOR nor, RAINS rains. Without air, there is neither water cycle nor rains. See here children, this is a property of air. Air exerts pressure. Write children neatly. AIR air, EXERTS exerts, PRESSURE pressure. Air exerts pressure. Next, air occupies space. AIR air, OCCUPIES space, occupies, SPACE space. Air occupies space. AIR air, OCCUPIES occupies, SPACE space. Air occupies space. This is a property of air children. Already you learned properties of air and importance of air. Explanation of in this lesson. Yes or no children? Yes. What is this? Uses of air and properties of air. Air exert pressure is property. Air occupies space, property. Air supports burning of things, uses of air. Air can make things move, uses of air. Air propagates sound, uses of air. Smell spreads through air in all directions, uses of air. Without air there is no life on the earth, uses of air. Without air there is neither water cycle nor rains, uses of air. Okay children, write neatly. Today's home task, learn and write these sentences. Thank you. I will meet in the next class.